welcome to Rushee Yoga. This is Rajani yoga teacher. Today's video about beginners yoga stretches. Before starting yoga or initial days, we need to do few simple yoga stretches. Then we'll get proper flexibility. First, sit in Sukhasana. Keep your back and head erect. Hands in Dhyana Mudra. Do the few seconds of proper relaxed breath. Then slowly do the few warm-ups to get muscle relaxation, head rotation. Exhale forward, inhale backward. In a head rotation we have to follow breathe. 5 clock rotations, 5 anti-clock rotations. In this rotation we'll get neck muscle relaxation. Next do the shoulder rotation, 5 clock rotations, 5 anti-clock rotations. Next hand stretch side and front. Inhale stretch, exhale, inhale. While stretch hands is always inhale. 5 sides, 5 front we have to do. Next wrist rotation, 5 clock, 5 anti-clock. Then do the side twist. Exhale twist. Inhale straight. Exhale other side twist. After be in Dhyana Mudra again 10 seconds. Now we are going to start simple asanas because beginning time we have to do simple asanas. Then we'll get easy way slowly asana stretches. Now go to the side stretch. Be in position 10 seconds. While being in this asana, do the slow breathe. Slowly stretch hand body. Inhale, come back. Same asana other side. Hand resting on floor, the first step. Then other hand should be towards on head. Along with body, hand also stretch and be in position. Do the slow breathe while being in asana. At least a few seconds you have to be in this stretch. It will give you the side muscle, hand, arms, flexibility and also fitness. Relax. After the asana, few seconds we need relaxation to get the breath proper. The same way, leg stretch side and palm should be resting on floor to get the grip to stretch the leg. Facing straight, close your eyes, be inner body focus. Then change the leg, other leg stretch. While stretching leg, we have to raise the body. Try to sit on glutes. Try to sit on your buttocks. Then you will get spine stretch also along with leg. Next, go to the butterfly position. Be in butterfly sitting. Stretch your head up. While stretching head, pull your legs down. Then you will get the pressure on your thighs, inner thighs and also glutes. Then go to the forward stretch. While going forward stretch, elbow resting on floor, head touch on the floor. If you are stretching slowly, then you will get the proper stretch. While stretching, do the slowly exhale. Then your muscle should be getting elasticity here to stretch body. While coming up, inhale, come up. Again be in Sukhasana, 10 seconds. While being in Sukhasana, keep your hands in Dhyana Mudra. And while being in this pose, you have to focus on breath and inner body. Then slowly go sideways stretch, single leg stretch. While stretching leg back, face up. And for the grip here, place it palm on floor, face up. Be in position 10 to 20 seconds and try to focus on the breath. Same asana other side. Slowly stretch the body. If you are stretching too fast, it will get the catches. That's why we have to stretch slowly to adjust body. And in this stretch, try to involve every muscle and do the slow breath. Slowly come back to Sukhasana. Next, slowly raise your hands sideways along with inhale. Keep your palm together. Stretch the body. Be in position. Do the slow breath. While being in this position, close your eyes. Try to focus inner body or on forehead. It will give you the relaxation and peace. While being in this asana, you will get the stretch of spine and head, also arms. While coming back, also slowly hands bring down sideways. Now be in position, palm on the palm. While releasing mudra, slowly move hands to release out. Then rub your hands. Feet should be given on your eyes and face. While opening eyes, look on your palm. The end point of what we are doing, that is giving refreshment and also relaxation. I hope this it will help to who are starting yoga or who are beginners trying to do yoga. They self it will help to get the easy way to track. I hope this will help you.